Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. This is Rue. Today I got a commission build unboxing to do. So this is a hobby kit unboxing, and what we have today is the Wing Gundam RG. So let's take a look at the box. Series 35 Wing Gundam, some possibility Wing Gundam. Now this Gundam box has been opened. So the customer has already built slightly a bit. He built 2 feet. So this is the instruction manual. Nicely colored. Overall, this kit has 16 runners. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna build it. And once it's built, we will go through the whole kit. The most difficult thing ever: stickers. So these are the 2 of the feet that he has built. So he's paying me a commission, so I'm gonna build the whole thing for him. We're gonna go through all the runners. So again, there are 16 runners here. So RG skills are usually pretty complicated, but they are a fun build. Takes a while though. Comparing to MGs, I think MGs are much easier. HG is a kid's game. So 16 runners for a 144 skill kit. That's quite a lot of things to build. This is not white. That's pretty awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna build it, and we will come back with the build kit. So here's the kit after it's built. It's a pretty nice build, a Gundam Wing. It's slightly back heavy, but yeah. I'll zoom in a bit. You guys can have a quick look at the build. So again, this is the RG144, straight built, panel lined, stickers on, and yeah. Details are pretty awesome. this is his shield. Pretty nice mechanic where the saber pops up. See that again. So that's the unboxing, guys, for the RG144 Gundam Wing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.